Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the classification of the cosmetic. Cosmetic are the classified into the four main categories according to their use, according to their function, according to their physical nature, and according to state. Classification of cosmetic according to their use. Based on the skin application, cosmetic are classified into the five category. First is the use for the skin, second is use for the nails, and third use for teeth and mouth, use for the hair, and use for eyes. Use for the skin. The skin mainly to protect the human beings against the environmental aggressions. The cosmetic products that are the poured, rubbed, and applied on the skin are known as the skin cosmetic. Examples is the cream, powder, lotion. Second is used for the nail. The nail in a particular the nails, plates of the fingers of hand and the feet have been subject for the decoration in the terms of the shine or color. Examples is the nail liqueurs remover. Next, the use for teeth and the mouth. Dental care products are the meant for keeping the dental structure healthy, strong, and protecting against any infections oral. Since the eye are very sensitive and the important part of our body and also require the high heightening during the beautification, examples is the eyeliner, mascara, and eyeshadow. Used for the hair. Hair cosmetics are the range of the product that are used for the hygiene of hairs and the involving hairs growing from human scalp, the facial, pubic, and the other body hair shampoo, hair dye, hair sprays. Next, the classification of cosmetic according to their functions, curatives and the therapeutics, antiperspirant and the hair preparations. Protectives are the sunscreen corrective, which improve the tone and the mask of the imperfections either from the face, hair, and heal the cracked creams. Decoratives give the persons a feeling of the confidence, happiness. Then there are the lipstick and the nail liqueur. Next is the classification of the cosmetic according to their physical nature, that is aerosols, cake, emulsions, paste, and powder, soaps. Aerosols are the pressurized dosage form. Example hair perfumes, cake, semi-solid preparations which are formed by applying accurate pressure. There are the rug compact, makeup compact, biphasic liquid dosage form. Examples cold cream, cleansing creams are emulsion. Paste, semi-solid preparations for external application to the skin. Examples are the toothpaste, powder, solid dosage forms which are used internally and externally. Examples are the tooth powder and talcum powder. Soap. So there are the soap is a salt of the fatty acids, shaving soap, bathing soap. Classification of cosmetic according to their function, like solid, liquid, and the semi-solid. Definitions of the cosmetic as per Indian regulation. As per Section 3 of the Drug and Cosmetic Act, the 1940 rules, 1945, cosmetic means any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, or the spread. Can a product act as a both cosmetic and a drug? Some products meet the definition of both cosmetic and a drugs. This may happen when the product has two intended uses. Example: the shampoo. Shampoo is a cosmetic because its intended use to the cleanse the hair, and the anti-dandruff treatment is a drug because its intended use to treat the dandruff. Today class I discuss about the following topics like the classification of cosmetic according to physical nature, according to their function, and according to their use. Thank you for watching.